waterfalls, rivers full of bodies of innocent people. Babies cried out for their parents, and parents cried out loud for their beloved kids. To see people's names have changed to cockroaches and snakes. But I wonder, in the creation of the world, a snake was named a snake, a cockroach was named a cockroach, and a person named a person. Of course, there was a difference, but it was the easiest and strongest manipulation leading to the powerful discrimination that was supposed to eliminate Tutsi people. But I wonder, where was humanity when enmity exceeded unity? Ese ko twese twari bene Kanyarwanda, yemwe byagenze bite? When I look around, I'm not sure who to blame. Ese ndende muzungu wasanze icyo dupfana kiruta icyo dupfa, cyangwa ndenganya Imana yaremye umuntu kwibishaka? Aha, Mose ntivuga sinkavuge ikibondo, sinari maruga ibindi bibondo byabuzwaga umuhondo bikajugunya muri ruhondo, maze igihugu kikuzura imiborogo.